Just8ate.com. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple mango margaritas with Tajin. Let's hit the kitchen. Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell. And since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? The list of ingredients is magic bullet or blender, and then we have 2 cups of mango, frozen mango. We have simple syrup. It's really easy to make simple syrup. If you're curious to see how to make that, go ahead and check out my other video. And then we have 3 ounces of lemon juice, and we have 3 ounces of tequila. Yes, tequila Jose Cuervo, because Jose Cuervo is my friend. And we have mint, and we have lemon for garnish, and Tajin. Let's make this. Okay, in your blending vessel, we're gonna go ahead and put in 2 cups of mango. We're gonna put in our lime juice. And now I'm putting in the 3 ounces of tequila. Now I'm using Jose Cuervo because Jose Cuervo has always been my friend. And then we're going to be putting in simple syrup. Now I made this simple syrup. It's really easy to make at home. If you're curious to see how to make simple syrup at home, check out the link in the description down below or in the iCard in the corner of the screen. We're going to go ahead and put in 3 ounces of simple syrup. Put a lid on it and blend. While you're blending, let's go ahead and grab your cup because you know you special, and we're gonna have to put our Tajin around the rim. To do that, grab your lemon or your lime, put it around the rim like so. And now we're gonna grab our Tajin and we're gonna put it in a dish. Grab your glass and put it around the rim. After you got the special glass, because remember, use special, and put in the Tajin around the rim, we're gonna pour in our mango margarita. Hey my eaters, just real quick, comment down below to let me know what kind of drinks do you like. Put your lime or lemon and garnish with mint. Make it look special, because you're special. Alright my eaters, and so that's how I make the really easy, simple mango margaritas with Tajin. Oh my goodness, hopefully Jose Cuervo is your friend because I know he's my friend, okay? Anyways, let's have a taste test. Oh my goodness. Yummy! Anyway, this is a hashtag collaboration with my awesome YouTube friends at hashtag DrinkTips. So, definitely check them out whenever you can. The links are in the description down below. It's a collaboration with Trap Bistro, Kevin, Jason from Chef Adventures, Ryan with Ryan's GS Barbecue and Stuff, and we have Chef Blake Hadrian, and we have Johnny McGuire, who does the Pit Life Barbecue podcasting, as well as he has his own YouTube channel who does barbecues and stuff, and we have Sav from Lagoon Eats and Robbie P2 Vlogs, and of course I'm the 8th one. I'm Just8ate. It just makes sense, right? Anyway, so always expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you in the next video. Here's the shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. Remember, Jose Cuervo is my friend. Hopefully Jose Cuervo is your friend too. See you in the next video.
I'll see you in the next video.
You've gotten to this point of the video. I really appreciate it. You've watched the entire video. Check out my YouTube channel for other recipes.